Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel What Chapter 6 Simulation Exam. If you want to do this exam from me, if you need help in this course, in this Complete My Lab IT course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Math, Macroeconomics, Calculus, and many more online courses. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. So we will go to my lab at PS and go to what chapter 6 simulation exam. Click on this exam, click on start button. So we will launch our exam and start our exam to solve it step by step. Click on launch button. Our exam will be launched right now. Okay, we will launch our exam right now. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your exam by watching this video. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A plus grade. So start Microsoft Word. Start Microsoft Word. Okay. We will search and click on Word. Search the online template for service course. Search the online templates for service course. Go to new and go to search bar and we will search the online template is service code. QUOTE. Okay. So click the service code template and click create. Click on this service code template and click on create button. So click the company name placeholder at the top left side of the document and type health plus. Okay. Click the company name placeholder at the top left side of document and type health plus. Okay. We will click here and we will type HEALTH health plus. We will type here health plus. Okay. So click the logo placeholder and insert the picture file named logo. Okay. We will click the logo placeholder. So we will go to the insert tab. In the illustration group, click on picture button. So this device button, we will insert our picture which we will have download from my lab at the portal. Click on logo PNG. Click on insert button. This picture will be inserted and question is done. So moving on, next question is question number 2. In question number 2, replace the street address placeholder with 1818 Bridgeway. Okay, my connection is average. It will be take some time. Really sorry. Replace the street address placeholder with 1818 Bridgeway. We will select the street address and we will type here 1818. 1 second, street address. We will and enter here. We will select this and remove and we will enter 1818 Bridgeway. Okay. So select the email address line show in the middle of the document and then save it as a building block in the auto text gallery with the name email address. Select the email address line shown in the middle of the document and then save it in a building block Okay, we will go to the insert tab in the text group. Okay, we will click on auto text and create new building block. We will create a new building block. Name is email address. Email address is the name. Click on OK button. So click the email placeholder and insert the email address to auto text. Okay. So we will click the email placeholder and insert the email address to auto text. Go to the insert tab in the text group. Click on email placeholder auto text. Okay, question is done now. So moving on question number 3 of this exam. In question number 3, apply the retrospect theme to the document. Okay, we will go to the design tab in the document formatting group. Go to the themes group. Click on themes button, and we will select retrospect theme. Where is retrospect theme? Okay, here is the retrospect theme. I have applied the retrospect theme to the document. So the next is that change the theme's color to grayscale. We will change the theme's color to grayscale in the design tab in the document formatting group. Click on colors button. We will select grayscale theme's color. Okay, customize theme's color changing accent 1 to dark gray accent 6. Go to the colors, go to customize color, and we will changing accent 1 to dark gray accent 6. Accent 1 to dark gray accent 6. Okay, dark gray accent 6 is here. So we will change the name of theme's color to service color and then save the theme's color. We will change the name of this theme's color to service colors. SERVICECOLORS service colors and click on save button. Create a custom font theme with Courier name as the heading font and Franklin Gothic book as the body font. Name the custom font theme service fonts. Go to the design tab and go to the fonts and go to customize themes font, and we will customize font theme name is to service fonts. We will go to the name box and we'll select service fonts. Okay, the name the custom font theme to service fonts. We will select service fonts. Okay, first I have created a custom font theme with Courier New as the heading font. Okay, heading font is Courier New and Franklin Gothic book as the body font. Okay, body font is Franklin Gothic book. Franklin Gothic book as the body font. So name the custom font theme to service fonts. Custom font theme to service fonts. So service fonts. Press click on save button. Okay, this question is done now. Now I am going to do fourth question of this exam. In fourth question, open the file service edited located in the document folder. We will go to the file and go to open, go to browse, go to the document folder, and we will select this file document folder service edited located. Click on OK. So open the file service located in the document folder. We will go to file and go to open, go to browse, go to document folder, and we will select the service file. Click on open button. This both files will be opened. View the two open Word documents side by side. View the two open Word document side by side. Go to the view tab and go to window group. Click on view side by side button. Deactives synchronous scrolling. Okay, we will go to the window group. Click on deactive synchronous button